Timer running but no heat? Fix your Instant Pot Vortex fast. If your vortex looks like it's running, the timer counts down, the fan is on, but nothing's cooking, it usually means the fryer isn't detecting the basket properly. Here's what to check. Step 1. Remove and reinsert the basket firmly. If the basket isn't fully clicked into place, the fryer may run the timer and fan, but it won't heat. Pull it out completely and reinsert it with a solid push until it's flush with the front of the unit. While you're there, check for crumbs or grease in the track. I use a narrow crevice brush to keep the basket rail clean so it doesn't block the sensor. Step 2. Let it finish preheating before walking away. The vortex doesn't actually start heating until preheat is complete, and you've reinserted the basket when it says add food. If you miss that prompt or forget to reinsert, the unit may just sit there counting down with no heat. Step 3. Restart the cook cycle from standby. If the display is stuck or didn't resume properly after add food or turn food, press cancel and start the program again. This clears any glitch in the cycle and resets the heating element. Step 4. Plug directly into a grounded wall outlet. If the unit seems inconsistent, sometimes heating, sometimes not, avoid using a power strip or surge protector. The vortex needs stable current to trigger the heater circuit. Plug it directly into a wall outlet to ensure consistent performance. If your fryer still runs cold after all this, the sensor or heating element may be damaged. In that case, contact instant support using the link in the description. If this helped you get your vortex heating again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your basket rail gets sticky or crumbs jam up the slot, I've linked the crevice brush I use below. It fits right into the track and helps your fryer detect the basket properly. Thanks for watching, and don't fake the bake.